friends! Today is the biggest day in Bot Town history. We started this journey with a blank screen and one big question. What even is a web page? And look at us now. Our town has grown into a real website. Before we reveal the finished town, let's go on a little journey and remember everything we learned together. You did an amazing job. Because friends, you learned a lot. And you should be so proud of yourself. Let's begin our journey. Before we celebrate, let's take one amazing journey through everything we learned together. Starting with Episode 1. Remember Episode 1? We didn't even know what HTML was. Then we typed our very first H1 tag. That was the moment everything changed. H1 creates the biggest heading on your web page. Episode 2. I forgot the closing tag, and everything became giant and weird. We fixed it together by adding the closing tag. The slash closes the door. We also learned the paragraph tag. Every sandwich tag needs opening bread, filling, and closing bread. Episode 3. Bot Town needed a real notice board with a real story. So we started writing using paragraph tags. Instead of one giant block, every idea got its own paragraph. Everything became neat and easy to read. That was our big lesson. One idea, one paragraph. Every paragraph gives your ideas room to breathe. Episode 4. Our town wall looked empty. We wanted to hang a picture on our web page. We discovered the IMG tag. It doesn't need a closing tag. Just add the source address, and the browser shows your picture. The IM tag is different from sandwich tags. It is self-closing, like a photo frame, and SRC tells the browser where to find the picture. Episode 5. Bot Town needed snacks for the party, so we learned how to build a real shopping list using HTML. The ul tag became our shopping bag, and every lie tag became one item inside it. The browser even created the bullet points automatically. We also discovered nesting. The ul tag is the parent, and every lidli tag lives safely inside it. Episode 6 was one of our most exciting adventures. We built a magic button, clicked it, and our web page finally responded to us.
Yay!
We learned that onclick gives the button instructions, and alert creates a fun pop-up message when someone clicks it. Episode 7. Our town map was confusing because every heading looked exactly the same size. Our town bot. Then we discovered the heading family. H1 is the biggest heading, H2 is medium, and H3 is used for smaller sections.
Proper headings make every web page easier to read. Remember to use only one H1 on each page.
Look how far we've come. We built a real web page with headings, stories, pictures, lists, and even a magic button.
You should be so proud of yourself. You've learned the building blocks of HTML, and this is only the beginning. Let's celebrate everything we've created together.
And now, friends, the moment we've been building toward since episode 1. Let's build one amazing BotTown webpage using everything we've learned together. Every great webpage starts with a title. First, we add our biggest heading using the H1 tag. Now let's tell visitors about our town using a paragraph. Every idea gets its own paragraph tag. Next comes our picture. The image tag is special because it doesn't need a closing tag. We simply give it an address using src. Now we're starting a brand new section. That's exactly what the H2 heading is for. It helps organize our web page into clear sections. Now let's add our first story paragraph. We started with nothing, just a blank screen and one big question. Here's our second idea, so it gets its own P tag. Together we learned HTML, and built an amazing town.
And one more idea. Every tag we added made BotTown more and more special. 3 paragraphs, 3 ideas.
Great! Our story is done. Now let's create another section, the town map. H2 tells visitors that a new section is beginning. Inside our town map, here's a smaller section, the town park. That's why we use H3, a smaller heading inside our H2 section. And every heading can have information underneath it. Here's our town park paragraph. Now another place inside our town map, the coding school. Another H3, because it's another smaller place. Look at our map. H2 gives us the big section, H3 gives us the smaller place inside it, and P gives us the details. And now we're starting another big section of our town. The snack shop gets an H2 heading. Our snack shop needs a shopping list. Let's add one more big section called Party Snack List. First, we open our unordered list with UL. Then we put our first item inside it, chips. Now 2 more items go inside the bag, juice and cake. Each item gets its own LI tag. And finally, we close the bag. And now for the most exciting part, we're adding our magic button. It will show a message when someone clicks it. And we close our button. Now let's count H1, H2, H3, P, IMG, UL, LI, and button. 8 different tags. 8 different tags. All in one page. Are you ready to run it?
Yeah!
Look at that! We built a real button, and now it's responding. Click it. Woohoo! That is a real web page, built with real HTML. By you and me, together. Now, the most important build of Season 1. Your town page. Using everything you've learned across all 8 episodes. Start with your town name, a short introduction, and your favorite picture. Replace the words in square brackets with your own ideas. Next, tell your town's story. How did it begin? And what makes your town special? Give each idea its own paragraph. Now build your town map. Choose 2 favorite places. Use H2 for the map section and H3 for each place. Add your favorite things using a list. Then finish with your magic button and your own secret message. Your mission is simple. Replace everything inside square brackets with your own words, places, picture, and secret message. Take your time. There is no rush. This is your town. Make it special. I'll wait right here while you build. Your town can be funny, colorful, exciting, or completely unique. Remember, you are the builder. Before we say goodbye, let's look at everything you achieved in Season 1. Every lesson helped you become a real web builder. Ready to see your achievement wall? Our very first achievements. We learned the H1 tag for big headings and the P tag for paragraphs. Together, they helped us build our very first real web page. Then we learned the IMG tag to add beautiful pictures and the UL tag to organize information into neat lists. Our web pages started looking like real websites. Awesome! Next, we mastered the lie tag to create list items and the button tag to make clickable buttons. Our web pages could finally respond when someone clicked them. You unlocked 2 important HTML skills with an opening and closing tag, but the image tag, it's a self-closing tag, just like a photo frame that's already complete. Amazing work! You also mastered attributes like src and onclick. They give tags extra information, where tags live neatly inside other. You did it! You learned heading hierarchy, built interactive pages, and created a. See you in Season 2 for even more amazing adventures. Friends, when we started, HTML was completely new. But together, you learned headings, paragraphs, lists. No matter your age, you are a real coder now. You built. You made headings. You wrote stories, added pictures, created lists, and need a button that responds. This isn't just a lesson anymore. This is your web page. And please remember, friends, don't stop here. Keep building, keep asking questions. You already learned HTML. Your coding adventure is only beginning. You belong here, coder. You don't have to know everything. Just stay curious, keep learning, and remember, you are a coder. Thank you for building Bot Town with me, friends. I'm so proud of everything you learned, but our adventure is just beginning. See you in Season 2. But wait! Bot Town is amazing! But look at it. It's a bit gray, a bit plain, a bit boring, don't you think? What if we could make it colorful? What if we could change the size of things? What if we could choose the font? Who are you?
What was that?
I don't know who that was, but I think Season 2 is going to be very interesting. See you then, friends!